Hi, my name's Dave Burton of Advanced Technical Support. The purpose of this short video is to show you how to program Pro 5 panel push buttons to operate device disablements. To program the push buttons to carry out device disablements, assuming a download has already been taken, we must navigate to the panel, navigate to the user interface section, select and highlight the display card, and then use the magnifying glass, the show details button, to bring up a zoomed in display of the front of the fascia. Programming the button is very straightforward. Simply select the button, visit the properties of the button on the point details window on the left hand side, and we are focusing on the input action of the button. As you can see, it currently says no action, meaning the button does nothing. If we select this, we have a number of different options that become available. We are interested in the disable group option in this example. So select that. It will then bring up another line of information asking which disablement group the button is responsible for. There are 200 disablement groups that can be utilized, so we will simply change this to disablement group number 1. To then add devices, and doesn't matter if it's a panel device or a field device, all devices carry the same disablement group reference. For example, if we go to the panel's onboard section and select one of the panel relays, panel relay 2, which is the fire relay, we can see the same disablement group option. If we simply change that from disablement group 0 to disablement group 1, that relay will now be isolated when the push button is pressed. We can also, through the user interface, operate the function LED adjacent to the push button to give an indication that the button has been pressed. Again, to do that, simply click on the LED, change the LED colour from red to yellow in this example. Red is typically an indication of fire. Yellow is more useful as a warning. Under the primary operation method, we will change it from unused, again not being used, to reference the disablement group. And in this case, the system understands that disablement group 1 is in use. So when that button is pressed and the disablement enacted, the LED will turn yellow to give a visual indication to the end user. And that concludes this short demonstration video.